Hello. So in this recording, I wanted to speak about something that commonly happens. This type of thing usually happens with highly sensitive people, empaths. If you're the type of person who is a sponge to all types of energies. These parasitical entities that are unseen, they tend to follow a lot of people around who they think have spiritual potential. They follow these people around. They follow certain people around who they think they have an inner light that is strong, a spiritual inner light that can destroy them. And I want to talk about recently what has happened to me. So, say you're in a scenario like, see, this is what happened to me. Say you're at work and there's somebody you don't particularly like there. This person will deliberately or non-deliberately use this energy to latch onto you somehow. And I can easily tell because when you come in contact with another person or an entity, this person will usually have energy entities latched on to that particular person, and say this person will use that energy against you because your energy and that other person's energy will clash. And then once you engage with the other person that you don't really like, that person will they'll try to latch their energy onto you or try to put that kind of negative energy that you don't like within your body. Say this happens and you don't really know that the energy has latched on to your body, to your aura field, because it's already latched to your aura field in a way. And say you go to sleep that night, you will have dreams that will be negative to your energy. Because like say that person's say that person you don't like, they have latched their energy onto your aura field already, and then you go to sleep. You may not dream of it right away, of these certain dreams right away, but it'll probably like be in the morning time or like early morning, and you'll have a series of dreams to where it's the dreams are not for you, they're there to bother you. The dreams are there to throw your energy off, basically. And then you'll wake up and then be kind of like in a shitty mood, because you've had those dreams that, say like the series of dreams, and the people who are in that dream, like they're against you, and they'll try to have your aura field try to bring your aura field down low, as much as they can. But they know, these entities know that they're stuck in the fourth dimension, so they can't really do a whole lot to you. They're just there to bring your energy down low. They're there to bring your aura field down. And most of the time, when you're around people, when you're spiritually awakened person and your aura field is high all the time, there's going to be parasites, there's going to be entities that will that'll try to latch on, whether in your aura field or in your body, within your energetic body, and they'll try to bring you down that way. But all they can do is try to scare you, and that's all they can do. They can never harm you, because these parasitical entities are stuck in the fourth dimension, which is the dream dimension, I guess. But anyway, I had a series of dreams where, like, I can tell, like, these energetic dream beings were just there to, like, put my energy down, you know. And there was one dream sequence to where I instantly went into sleep paralysis, and these parasitical energy vampires will put you in a dream paralysis so that they can try to scare you and bring your energy down. Just know that this is all they can do. They can't hurt you or harm you in any way. All they can do is just try to scare you. You know, and me being a type of empath, a highly sensitive person, I am a sponge to everything. So, say if I don't like a person's energy, it automatically latches on to mine, because I know that that energy is not like, it's not my type of energy. So it's going to latch on to me regardless. But all I can do is just try to think positive, try to, you know, try to have these essential oils with me, breathe in peppermint, have lavender, you know, crystals, all of these things that are high energy around me at all times. And, you know, all I can really do is just, all I can really do is just try to, you know, think, just to think like what I want to think about, what makes me happy, you know, until the day is through, you know, and then I can try to relax, because I am highly sensitive to certain energies, and I can easily get saddened by little petty things that don't matter. It's really hard for me sometimes, because as a highly creative person, it's hard for me to really cope with, you know, the negative stereotypes, you know, the negative stereotypical energies that are out there, you know, trying to bring us down. And you know, it's hard, but it's hard for the few of us, but I mean, you have to do what you can to try and cope. So that's basically it, you guys. Like, this recording is about, like, you know, the many energy parasites that can put you into sleep paralysis so that they can bring your aura field down, your energy down. Yeah, it's just really, the spiritual war is really getting crazy. There are a lot of things happening. There's a lot of clash happening around the world right now because as we go into 2020, it's the gateway to new energies, you know, a new life, possibly just a new way of thinking, shedding the old, going into the new. And the energy vampires, the energy parasites, don't want the higher star light energy people to win. They don't want us to win. So, alright, that's all I had for this recording, and I'll speak to you in another one here pretty soon. I don't know what it's going to be about, but most of the time my recordings are just so sporadic and random anyways. It's probably just, it's just, you know, what I feel at the moment, or what has happened as far as, like, energy goes. So, alright. Thanks for listening, you guys, and I'll speak to you again soon. Okay. Try to have a good day. I'll try to as well. Alright, bye.